It's Emily with veevonderland. Have you ever wanted to look like your favorite anime waifu character? Well, with this tutorial, you can! Today we are going to be doing an anime girl makeup tutorial look, so we're going to be looking like plastic. It's going to be fantastic, so stay tuned. The first two products that I've used are one, the Tatcha the Silk Canvas Primer. It's like a putty primer, and I caked that stuff on because we're wanting to look like fantastic plastic, so we're gonna do that. And I had this cushion. This is the IOPE cushion foundation, whatever, I don't know how to say this, but the IOPE cushion foundation, and the tone is number 23 natural beige. And I caked these two on because once again you want to look kind of lighter than you really are, because a lot of the anime girl characters are very, very light. The next thing I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be doing my eyeshadow. So it is time to get to the Urban Decay eyeshadow primer potion in the color Eden, and I'm gonna smack that on here. And today I'm using my friendly Misha line cushion here and just kind of dabbing it in. So for the brows, since we actually already went ahead and put this, this eyeshadow primer on my eyelids, I wanted to go ahead and put a little bit here on both eyebrows because I'm gonna actually be putting in a little bit of eyeshadow here in both my brows. Next step is to use this Stop Bullying palette by veevonderland, and we're going to be using the No Matter What They Say color right here, first on both the eyebrows and the eyelid. And just so you know ahead of time, the three brushes that I am using for today are from the Sephora Crease, Brow, and Eyeshadow collection here. The first one I used was this angled one right here, and then I'll be using this throughout most of it. Maybe I'll switch to this one. Using our angled brush, I'm gonna go ahead and use the color That Is True, which is this color right here, in my brows. Now that you've got your brows as orange and as sparkly as possibly could be, you're going to go ahead and use the color I'm a Pretty Girl right here on your eyelids. Then I'm using the same color to go in underneath my eyes, right here. I'm gonna go ahead and use this brown liner from Sephora. It's just a regular eye pencil crayon, and I'm just going to lightly do my eyeliner like so. Now this is where things are going to start looking a little bit cartoonish, a little bit fake, and a whole lot weird, because I'm going to be using this white Sephora, I think it's called like an eyeliner, glide liner, waterproof eyeliner that's in the color Snow White. It's just regular white eyeliner. And here I'm going to kind of line the corner of my eyes in white and then make this corner right here white, because I want to make it look like there's a little bit more of my cornea than there actually is. I just want to emphasize that this is anime makeup and this is not something you should be doing every day because it looks too fake and it does not look great up close. But as you can see, I kind of went white here, I put the white here, and then all the way along the rims, like the waterline here of my eyes. And if I go further away, it kind of looks like my eyes are a little bit bigger that way. And now, it's time to draw on fake lashes. Now it is time to finish the look with the big anime eyes, and I'm going to use the mascara here from veevonderland Cosmetics. It is volumizing, it is lengthening, and we need all of that for cosplay makeup. Let's put it on my mascara. Then using a curler just to curl them up. Yeah, I know these lashes don't look very good, but you wanted them to be very big because these lashes that I'm using are going to be really big, and yeah, you just want big everything here when it comes to your eyes. Okay, I am using the Wispies here from Ardell. These lashes are great for all makeup, including cosplay makeup. So the makeup part for the upper half of our face is completely done. All that is left now are the cheeks and the lips, which I'm going to finish off with one product here, which is the Giorgio Armani A Blush in the color Peach. And I'm using both because that's the trend these days, and we're going for kind of an orangey look. Oh, that was good. Put a little bit more here. La, 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 la. I am putting a lot because anime, we need to blush a lot, you know, when we see our senpai. We need I need to stop with these anime references. Blushy, blushy. Hi, そして終わりです。ありがとうございました。If you'd like to see any other tutorials, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and let me know what you'd like to see in the comments next. See ya!